Okay, so this is our minor 1 4 1 5 7 back to 1 progressions. If you notice that for the minor chords, when you see the normal numeral representation, here's in the lowercase 1 and then lowercase 4, lowercase 1. Now you got the dominant 7, so you got the uppercase 5 7 and down back to lowercase 1. So here's our first key, so which is we start with C, and if you find the relative minor, you remember you go minor third down. So they share the same key signature, which on key of C they got no sharps, no flat. So we are starting on an A. Okay, now let's move on to the 4 chords. So we go up a whole step and then up a half step. Okay, that's our 4. So if you go back down to C, back to A minor, which is your minor 1 chord. Now you're gonna go down to up, down a half step, and then move your 3 to the second finger. So it's gonna be 1 5 7 1. Okay, so this is a whole. If I put it all together, it's gonna be like this: 2 1 5 7. This 5 7, we got this G sharp. So remember we played the A harmonic minor. So we are using the chord functions from the harmonic minor. We had the G sharp in there, so we are using this to have a resolution back to A minor. Okay, so let's start from E. This is another frequent use of the minor progressions. So G major, remember our major scale was, so remember from the tonic we go minor thirds down. So there's 4 keys in it, which means 4 half steps down. So let's start from here. So we had a F sharp and a D sharp. Anyways, let's start from E minor, and then so you use the same way. So you go up a whole step, up a half step to go to the 4, minor 4 chords. Yep. If you see that on the minor chords, on the chord writing, so if you see the minor chords, there's a minor M symbol that is written in the lowercase that tells you it's a minor chord. So here's E minor, and then go to the A minor, down to E minor. It's the time for the 5 7. So now in key of E, E, F, G, A, B, that's gonna be our B7. So we had the D sharp in there. So remember we went half step down with our pinky. Our 3's coming, changing to number 2 fingerings. Now the thumb stays same. So 1 5 7 1 5 7 1. So if we put this progression together, it's gonna be like this. Alright, so time for the D minor. So D minor, so its relative was F major, so we go 1 2 3 step down, minor thirds down. So starting from the D. Okay, remember we go 3 to 2 and then move half step up on your thumb. Okay, so 1 2 minor 4, which is G minor. Okay, now let's go to 5 7. You go half step down, you move 3 to 2, your thumb stays. Okay, 1 5 7 1 5 7. Okay, if put it together. Okay, so that's our minor progression. So let's practice 3 times each of the key. From A minor, 1, 2, let's do it. Okay, now find the E minor, 1, 2, E minor. Okay, let's go to D minor. Here we go. Last one. Okay, these 3 are most frequent use of the minor key, so please practice, repeat until you really get it. Alright? Bye.